at the top. Up at the top, tell the girls. So the gunnel is the rail of the boat, the top part of the boat. Okay? When I tell you to, I want you to sit up, and I want you to push with your legs. Okay? So reach forward, slide your hands forward, and sit up. Okay, we can do better than that. This is leg drive, leg drive. Go forward. Grab your paddles. Grab your paddles. Nice and easy. Hold the boat. I guess we can't do that drill today. Anyhow, that's leg drive drill. Okay? Let's do this. That's where we're going to start. Okay, so you go to the start line, there's a starter. He lines up the boats to make it a fair start. Once those boats are lined up, he's going to say, we have alignment. Attention, please. And then you're going to blow an air horn. That means go. So we have to be ready at the start. Okay, so paddles up. From the paddles up position, bend at the waist, reach forward and bury your blades in the water. Everybody's blade needs to be buried in the water. Out in front of you. Out in front. Okay? Good. Let it run. Let it run. I'm going to be the starter. When I say we have alignment, you're going to, as quickly as possible, jump into that position so you're ready to go. And then I'm going to say, attention, please, and go. And I want 10 big, giant, huge, long pulls. Okay? Okay. We have alignment. Attention. Bury your blades. Bury the blades. Attention, please. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let it run. Let it run. Good job. Good job. Is anyone getting wet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm good.
Let's try that one more time. Hold the boat. Hold hard, hold hard. Everyone should be holding. Remember, always hold the boat until you hear another command. See, 3 on the left. You should be holding the boat. There we go. Okay. All right, let it run. We have alignment. Attention, please. Bury the blades. Bury the blades. Attention, please. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let it run. Good, good, good. Good job. Good job.
No go faster than the count, because then you get our alignment left to go, and then the boat rocks,
And then I fall off.
and then she falls off. She doesn't want to fall off.
Hold the boat.
I think it's waterproof.
Okay, we're going to do the start again. Let it run, let it run. We're going to do the start again, the first 10 strokes. And then we're going to add 10 strokes to that. Seat 1.
Yep.
When we get to that second set of 10, don't increase the stroke rate. It should, if anything, it should slow down. We want to keep everyone in. We want to keep everyone in, right?
Yep.
Okay? I'm going to need everyone to count out loud, too. Everyone count out loud. If there's a boat next to you and you're racing, and they're counting out loud, and they're really loud, you're going to pick up on their count. It's going to mess up your sync. You almost have to be louder than the boat next to you. Okay? So I got to hear everybody. Okay, so we're going to do 20 strokes. We're going to do 10 of the start, and then we're going to add 10 to that. Total of 20 strokes. We have alignment. Attention, please. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let it run beautiful. That was the best piece of the night so far. Actually, I want to do that one more time. I liked it so, it was so good, I want to see it again. Okay? Anybody tired?
Because obviously I'm not letting them.
Anybody tired? Anybody hate this?
Oh, this is fun. I love this.
Anybody see me on the news this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Go, Lynette.
Hold the boat. Okay, we're going to do that 10 plus 10 again. I know you can even do better. Okay, make me proud. Okay? We have alignment. Attention, please. Go!
1,